All right, this morning I'm going to teach you another division strategy. It's called the distributive representation model. It's the closest model to the standard algorithm, but what I really love about it is that it includes entire place values instead of the shortcuts for place values, which the standard algorithm does. So the example I'm going to use today is 4,753 divided by 4. So I'm going to say, what times 4 is going to give me 4,000? Since 4 is in the thousands place, then I know it's 4,000. Well, that's a really easy number for me to work with in my head. I know that 1,000 times 4 is going to give me 4,000. So I'm going to write 1,000 as the factor right here. Then I'm going to multiply and subtract, which are my same steps that I've used in the other methods. So 1,000 times 4 is 4,000. Multiply, then subtract. 4,753, take away 4,000 is 753. I know that now I'm going to look at this number. 7 is in the hundreds place, so I have 700. What times 4 is going to give me a number close to 700? I know 4 times 100 is 400. 4 times 200 is 800, which would be too much. So I'm going to go with 100. 100 times 4 equals 400. Multiply, then subtract. 753, take away 400 is 353. I'm going to underline my greatest place, which is my hundreds place, which is a 3. There's nothing times 4 that can give me 3 or a number close to 3 without going over. 4 times 100 is going to give me 400, which is too much. So I'm going to extend over here. So what I'm really thinking about is 350, because 3 is in the hundreds place, 50 is in the tens place, so 350. What times 4 is going to get me close to 350 without going over? I know that 4 times 8 is 32, so 4 times 80 is going to be 320. 80 times 4, multiply, then subtract. 353, take away 320, it's going to be 33. I know, again, I can use my 8 and 4 factors because if I use 4 times 9, it's going to give me 36, which is too much, it goes over. So I'm going to say 4 times 8. 8 times 4 is 32. Multiply, then subtract. 33 minus 32 is 1. Since my dividend is smaller than my divisor, this becomes my remainder. And you can see that my answer, my quotient, is really easily and nicely set up. 1,188, remainder 1. 1,188, remainder 1. And that's the distributive representation model. It takes each place value and holds the place value, which is why I really love it. It's really easy for students to see what is happening and conceptually understand what's happening in division. So I hope this helps you to help your children, and I hope it helps you students to review the distributive representation model.